Good morning, everybody. We left off in last video of when I had Madden 19. Obviously not playing Madden 19 now, but it was really good. We're gonna go garage selling this morning, and Shy did come to see me, so she's here. And Mom and Dad are in the back seat, and we were up early this morning to go garage selling and see what we can find. Alright guys, so we're so excited because this was not supposed to come into the first. It came in today, it's the 28th, and that means we get to use it tonight for our party. We got a new camera like we were saying. We didn't get it from Best Buy, we got it from Amazon from our last video for the Canon G7X. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the package for the G7X. So, to start, it's going to come with one of these just like travel cases, and so you can basically just pull it out really easily and then take a photo. It's also going to come with a cleaning pin, so that's really cool. I actually didn't know the pin was included, but it's going to come with a cleaning pin, a digital like reader writer type thing, so it's going to come with its own USB, and it's going to come with an extra 64 gigabyte floppy, whatever this is, disk thing. Yeah, it's going to come with this. It's going to come with packing paper, of course. Need packing paper, that's essential. Also going to come with a digital battery. I think it's just an extra digital battery. And then the last thing is the camera. So let's go ahead and open up this camera here and see what is inside. It's going to come with this little plastic container. This is the box. And then the camera is wrapped up inside here. Da, 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 da. So we went out this morning and we went garage selling, and we didn't hardly find anything. It was like only like 5 or 6 garage sales. We didn't hardly find anything, so we didn't have anything to show for you guys. Sorry about that. But we are going out. We just got dressed and ready. So I don't know if you noticed, but this is not what we were wearing this morning. So we're going to go out to Target and try to find like a tripod deal so I don't have to hold it with my hand. Make it a little bit easier. And then we're going to have to go pick up some food for the party. It is 11:53, so it is getting a lot closer to party time. Alright, so Shy wants to point out my flaws here because apparently, so I had said we were going garage selling, did not show any garage sales. There was really nothing to show though. And then we went into Target and it was boring, so I didn't video it because you guys don't want to see us adulting. That's just boring. So I think it's boring too, and I'm the one that's doing it. So anyways, we're gonna go home. I promise tonight at the party there will be a lot of video from the party, so you guys will get to enjoy that. There'll be some music with it, a lot of video, a lot of basketball, a lot of spike ball. We bought spike ball yesterday. I don't know if I told them that or not, but we bought spike ball yesterday, set it up.
And I kicked his butt this morning in spike ball.
Yeah, I like to let her win because, you know. Anyway, so we're gonna.
People say when they lose.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, so we are going to head on home and then get ready for this party. Get set up. What is this lady doing behind me? Weirdo. All right. Anyways, we'll see you at the house. We got some preparation shenanigans. Mom's getting ready to get this party started. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yes.
We got our new camera and our new tripod. I'm so excited. It's a great day, isn't it?
Yes, great day.
Arthur versus Shy.
That's right. She's about to take this L.
Oh.
Yeah.
Trash talking.
I don't even know how to flirt, but she already did this. Look at that.
Oh, 1-0.
We're freaking insane, dude.
She almost made. She got a lot closer than you did.
Okay,
I'm gonna come over here. Oh, she made that.
Dang it, bro. Cheating. Bro. Oh, 1 to 5. She's already freaking losing, bro.
1 to 5.
I'm 5.
I'm 5.
Oh, what's going on?
Tonight, that look in your eyes gonna make back for more.
All right, here it is. 10 to 5. They're gonna go to 11. Final scores here. to see who comes out on top.
I win.
Oh, Carson's the winner!
I'm insane at Fortnite.
Alright, Carson, stand over here. We need to have a press conference.
I'm good, bro. I don't
Do you have any words?
Huh?
Do you have any words you want to say?
I'm too good. I'm too good to talk.
Carson, you're really talking.
I don't care, bro.
You want to say anything? Ooh, cute.
I knew I was gonna win from the start.
It's a good background.
Yeah, it is. I picked that out, by the way. So, props to me for this. How great that looks.
Woo, we're gonna go play some basketball.
I'm about to own everybody at this court. I'm gonna start my trash talking right now.
Do it now.
Especially Carson.
Before you get wrecked.
I'm singling out Carson, number one. It's that type of day. I'm getting a little goal too, so I can throw it down. All right, Carson, I didn't walk all the way down here just for you to not start a game. Yep. Dylan and Austin are captains. Dylan's younger, he can pick.
Hey, pick Carson.
Austin, you pick.
I got Tyler.
I've never played basketball with kids that are actually good.
Or you're just trash.
Back to you. Oh, Austin, I thought you said back. I thought you were black. I'm sorry. I thought you said back to you.
There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Say hi, Summer. Say hi, Tyler.
Is he wearing a Lakers jersey?
Say hi, Papa.
All right, me and Austin here. We're about to take Mom and Arlene, and we're gonna play them in spike ball, and we're gonna beat them. So we're having a whole crowd gathering.
It's gonna be pretty easy. I mean, look at her. That's gonna be way too easy.
Here we go. Let's do this.
You got bets on the game?
Me and Austin is on this side. Arlene and
They're all gonna lose.
Savannah's kicking in. I gotta have some. Savannah, are you gonna be need more than that?
There's a baby on the court.
You go and can't without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You was being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begged me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begged me to come up with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Jersey.
Jersey. Jersey.
Alright, so after what?
I was taking a drink.
Oh, my bad. So after all the fun that you guys have been seeing, we're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch the fireworks. So they're popping at this moment, of course. But anyways, so I'm really impressed with how this lighting is, though. I really like that. It looks bright outside and it's not. It's crazy. So we'll let you guys enjoy some of the fireworks.